Hey guys, how's it going? Today I'm gonna show you how to fix your DISA. My DISA on my BMW has been acting up since the day I got it. It all stems from this little pin right here. So we're gonna solve that problem permanently. I've been trying to hunt one down used to replace it. Unfortunately, finding one for a 3-liter is not so easy. I have found a couple for the smaller engines, which is okay and all, but the real problem is it's going to keep on happening. So even if I get a used one, even if I get a new one, eventually the same problem is going to reoccur. So in order to solve this for good, I did some research and I found this great kit here from X8R. This thing costs about $80 US and it's made out of billet aluminum. It's basically a simple solution which replaces the pin with a metal shaft that goes through the middle of the thing completely, and then you screw it on from the other end, and that thing's not going anywhere. So this is supposed to be a permanent solution, and we're gonna try it and see how it works. All right, so how do you know if you have a faulty DISA valve? Basically, you'll either get a check engine code for running lean, or what happened in my case, I heard a ticking noise. In the process of troubleshooting, I figured out that it was actually this thing that was rattling. The problem with this is if this pin falls out completely, goes into your engine, you're in some serious trouble. In order to prevent that, I took out this flap completely. I took my DISA out, took the pin out, disassembled this, and the flap is out. I've been driving without it. It runs fine. Obviously you don't have the same kind of power, and you definitely have a check engine light for running lean. But in the interim, until finding the solution, at least I wasn't risking killing my engine. Today I finally have the parts and we're gonna give this a go, try it out and see how it works.